Alright, this is a 1932 South Bend 8-inch junior lathe I picked up. The guy that had it, he kind of Rube Goldberg the belt system. So I cut down the board that the machine was mounted on, and I reconfigured the jack shaft, mounted the jack shaft on unistrut, and then I made a motor mount that's adjustable, and that's the contactor, and doing some practice cuts on aluminum. This came with a full gear set for machining, or for threading, so I'm pretty impressed with how well this thing cuts. So let's take a look here. Okay. Clicking you hear is that's the belt, the seam on the belt. I'm going to take about, I don't know, 15-20 thousandths cut here. That's a 3/4 inch aluminum. Cuts it like butter. Really nice. Really happy with this little machine. I've been looking for a little benchtop lathe for some of my projects, and this thing finally came up for sale, and hemmed and hawed over the price, but it was well worth it. Cleaned the ways up and put whey oil on them. Really neat little machine.